Hello, hello, hello. What's going on? How you doing? No, really. I want to know, how are you doing? This is a little crazy time that we're all living in. It's unprecedented. None of us have ever lived through anything like what's going on right now. And that's why I wanted to reach out to you with a video. Just something to connect with you face to face. I know we don't always get the chance to see each other and maybe not even talk in a while, but I wanted to take an opportunity to connect with you. And I'm sure if you're like me, you're getting hit with all kinds of emails and spam and marketing videos and stuff like that. Listen, what this is, stick with me to the end, because what this really is an opportunity to do something with Tony Robbins that has not been done since the 90s, my friend. That is it. So stick with me, okay? I want to share with you something, but before I go there, please forgive the unprofessional quality of the video. I'm not in a studio. This is the office. This is where the magic happens, baby. This is where we get on the phone and we connect and we talk. So you're not seeing the other side when we're on the phone. So I wanted to go ahead and just make sure that we reached out and connected because I have some crazy time-sensitive news that I do think you are going to be interested in learning more about. And what is that? Here you go. Tony Robbins is having a live event in Dallas, Texas, August 7th through the 10th. Now, you can imagine we have some new restrictions that we have to deal with. This is going to be an unprecedented, small-sized event. We have not had an event this size since the 90s. That's what I'm talking about. So if you've ever wanted to come see Tony in a tiny event, turn back the clock and go like it was in the late 90s or whatever the last time he did an event like this, this is your chance. 2,200 people total. That's it. Okay? It's in a hotel ballroom. We're going to follow all the rules and regulations that the CDC and the government wants us to do. So it's going to be as safe as we possibly can make it. And again, it's in your hometown. I'm writing you and talking to you because you live in Texas. So that's why I wanted to get that message to you as soon as humanly possible, because even though today is June 8th, as I'm making this video, we had 2,200 seats originally. When I started making this video, there's only 650 seats left. So by the time you even see this, it may even be gone. So again, I'm doing my best to get this info to you as soon as possible. And I wanted to do it in the form of a video. So anyway, I understand you may not be comfortable traveling, may not be comfortable going to a live event. That is totally cool. I just wanted to make sure I at least connected with you, got the message to you, because you might know somebody who would want to go who might be interested in this. But also, what's going on in your world? I seriously do want to connect with you and see how you're doing. There is a plethora of tools and content and just stuff that I can help you with. So we have so much at our disposal here that I can share and I can help you with. If you're going through something right now, like most of us are, and you just want to help kind of get to the other side of this thing, call me. So I have a link at the bottom of the email. Schedule a 30-minute strategy session with me. No cost. Let's get on the call. We'll talk. It'll be like a coaching call. And we'll just go into what's going on in your world, what's working, what's not working, where do you want to go, why is it important, do those types of things, and let's figure out a strategy to get you from where you are to where you want to be. And again, if there's something that we have that can help support you and serve you, we'll talk about that. But that's the main reason why I wanted to connect with you, is talk about the Dallas Unleash the Power Within event and offer my services. If there's anything I can do to help you right now, because I'm going through this just like you. We're having to reinvent ourselves and do things differently. So I want to reach out and do something I've never personally done before, and that's just offer these sessions for you. So please take advantage of it. Again, there's zero cost to you. We'll hop on a call, and I know there'll be massive value to you for sure. If I could be so humble, it'll be the best call of your week. I can promise you that. We're going to have fun, but we're also going to go deep, okay? So take advantage of that, and if there's anything else I can do for you in the meantime, let me know. And again, the Dallas event is filling up very quickly. If you know anybody that wants to go, please spread the word, have them call me directly, and then I will hopefully see you there. So anyways, that's it. That's all I wanted to get across to you today. I hope you're well. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Look for the truth. And I look forward to hopefully seeing you in Dallas very soon. Thank you. Bye.